Hello everyone, welcome to my channel RaHaz tutorial. Today I am going to discuss the question answer of the chapter 15 Books Make Good Pets of the book New Voices English 5. So the first question is, one curious look sets them purring. Who is giving the books a curious look? Answer, the reader is giving the book a curious look. Next question, what is being compared to what here? Answer, the books are being compared to cat's hair. Do you think the comparison is suitable? Answer, the poet is saying that books are much more than cats. They give company for a longer period of time than cats. Now question number 2, some reader rolls them over on their cracked spine. What are the books being compared to here? Answer, the books are being compared to turtles' hair. What does rolls them over mean here? Answer, rolls them over means to browse through the books carefully. Question, what does cracked spine tell us about the thing it describes? Answer, cracked spine tells us that the books have been read and enjoyed by many people. Explain, they will hibernate in the shell of their covers. Answer, the line means that the pages of the book will get shabby and tear off, but the knowledge of the book will remain same forever. Books preserve the knowledge under their covers and live a long life like tortoises. Next question, comment on the comparison between books and dogs. Answer, books certainly doesn't need doctor visits like a dog does. They do not need to be constantly entertained, yet the books will respond when we need their help. Now, question number 3. What characteristics of cats is the poet talking about in the poem? Answer, the poet talks about the curiosity, their behavior of response, and habit of twiddling with things. Question number 4. How can even old and neglected books be useful? Answer, old neglected books not lose any of their usefulness. They help their readers even if they are picked up after years. How can a book be like a goldfish? Answer, books can be colorful as goldfish. By colorful, the poet means attractive and full of imagination. They are also capable of lighting up our lives. Next, question number 6. In the poem, books have been compared to various pets. In what ways do you think can books be better than pets? Answer, books can be better than pets in the following ways. A. Books do not need any doctor to cure them. B. Books need not to be kept tied at any place like pets. C. Books have longer life than pets. Question number 7. Explain what you understand by the phrase the bowl of your imagination. Answer, the bowl of your imagination refers to the entire extent of our imagination. I hope students you found this video helpful. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a learning moment. Thank you.